Hello everyone, welcome back to our English Story Podcast, episode 26. Music connects people everywhere, no matter what language you speak. But how do you talk about your favorite music in English? In this episode, we learn how to describe the kind of music you like, talk about singers and concerts, and share your musical taste confidently. Let me tell you a story. Last month, my friend Daniel from Brazil visited my city. One night, we were sitting in a cafe, and some soft jazz music started playing in the background. Daniel smiled and said, "This song reminds me of home. I love jazz." I said, "Really? I didn't know that. Who's your favorite jazz musician?" He replied, "I really like Miles Davis. His music helps me relax after a long day." Then he asked, "What kind of music do you like?" I said, "I listen to a bit of everything, but my favorite is pop. I love songs with catchy melodies and meaningful lyrics. My favorite artist is Ed Sheeran." Daniel said, "Oh, I like him too. His songs are so emotional." We started talking about our favorite songs. I said, "One of my favorites is Perfect. It's such a beautiful love song. I never get tired of it." Then Daniel told me about a live concert he went to in Rio de Janeiro. It was amazing. Thousands of people were singing together. The energy was unbelievable. We spent almost an hour just talking about music, how it makes us feel, the concerts we've been to, and how songs can bring back memories. That night, I realized something special. When you talk about music, you're not just talking about sound. You're sharing emotions, experiences, and stories. Now, let's learn some useful vocabulary and expressions for talking about music. Number one, talking about types of music: pop, rock, jazz, classical, hip hop, country, folk, electronic, and reggae. Example: I love pop music because it's catchy and easy to sing along to. I'm really into jazz these days. Number two, describing what you like. I like, I love, I'm into, I enjoy listening to. Example: I love listening to acoustic songs when I'm relaxing. I'm really into classic rock. Number three, talking about feelings and reasons. It makes me feel happy, relaxed, energetic, nostalgic. It reminds me of. Example: this song makes me feel calm. That song reminds me of my childhood. Number four, talking about concerts and experiences. I went to their concert last year. It was amazing. The crowd was singing along. The energy was unbelievable. Example: I saw Coldplay live once and it was incredible. Number five, asking others about their taste. What kind of music do you like? Who's your favorite singer or band? Have you ever been to a concert? Example: what kind of music do you usually listen to? Tip: when talking about music, don't just say what you like, explain why you like it. That makes your conversation more interesting and personal. When talking about music, we often use number one, the present simple tense for habits or preferences. I love pop music. I listen to music every morning. Number two, the present continuous tense for current interests. I'm really into jazz these days. I'm listening to more classical music lately. Number 3. Drowned. ing forms after verbs of liking. Like, love, enjoy, hate plus ing. Example, I love listening to live music. I enjoy dancing to upbeat songs. Number 4, expressing reasons with because and when. Example, I like jazz because it helps me relax. I listen to pop when I'm driving. Using this grammar points makes your conversation about music natural and easy to follow. So, you can confidently talk about your favorite music in English, what you like, why you like it, and even ask others about their taste. Mini challenge: think of your favorite song or singer and practice saying, I love listening to. It makes me feel. I like it because. What kind of music do you like? Speaking these sentences aloud is a great way to build fluency, and confidence is a small talk. Thank you for listening to today's episode. Don't forget to follow the podcast for more real life English stories and conversations. See you next time.